worked quite up a bit of an appetite with that walk up to the Utopia for pools. I have a mossy here. I'm a bit of a on a health trip, so I'm gonna show you my breakfast today. My Schatzi has the normal breakfast with bread and muesli and everything, and I go for a baked breakfast on the Weber today. So we basically have a dish, oven safe dish like that, and I put a half an avocado in here on the bottom. Just put them over here. Then I have some capsicum on top and some red onions I like, and I also love some horseradish in it. I just love the taste of it, but you don't have to do that. Of course, it's just me, my taste. Then get some 2 eggs on top of it. Like that. And normally you leave that, but I don't like it that way. I need to make it that way. I don't like it too runny, but that's just me. And then we put some pepper on it. Also some salt, not too much. And I like to crumble some feta cheese on top of it. Like that.
It looks yummy.
Yeah, it's not finished yet. So, this is finished now. It has to go onto the Weber for 20 minutes, and then we're going to show you how it turns out. Let's have a look how my breakfast bake is coming along in here. Oh, that looks good. Thank you for watching. We hope you have enjoyed this episode. We really appreciate your support. Please do like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below. See you later.
Alligator.